What foods are good for low blood pressure? Many people wonder what to eat to help raise low blood pressure. Low blood pressure, also known as hypotension, is typically considered to be a blood pressure reading less than 90/60 millimeters of mercury. This condition affects many people, particularly as they grow older. Between 10% and 20% of Americans over the age of 65 have hypotension to some degree. Symptoms include fainting, blurred vision, dizziness, and lightheadedness. If left untreated, low blood pressure can result in a heart attack or stroke, causing long-term damage to the heart and brain, or even death. Low blood pressure can be caused by a variety of factors, including medication side effects and conditions like diabetes. What you eat also has a notable impact on your heart health and blood pressure. Here are presented a list of top 10 foods that might help raise your blood pressure and back up to a healthy level.
Welcome once again to our nursing exercise channel. If this is your first time here, we have a YouTube channel that aims to enrich your knowledge about your health, fitness, medication, nutrition, diet, etc. And if it is your plan to update yourself about these important issues for all of the important tips, advice, discussion and presentation, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on our notification bell icon. Let's start our presentation.
1. Water. Dehydration is one of the main causes of low blood pressure. Insufficient water levels actually reduce your blood volume. This reduction then lowers your blood pressure levels. Doctors recommend people with low blood pressure should drink around 8 cups, about a half gallon, of water per day. They should also limit their consumption of alcohol. 2. Foods high in vitamin B12. People who have low blood pressure must include vitamin B12 in their diet. Inadequate vitamin B12 can lead to anemia, which may lower your blood pressure levels. Eggs are very high in vitamin B12. You must include eggs in your diet in any form possible, boiled, scrambled, curried, etc. 3. Olives. What is not said about the many wondrous health benefits of olives is that they are rich in vitamin E, iron and copper. But what helps in this case is their slightly salty taste. Salty foods can increase blood pressure, especially in those who have experienced a sudden dip. 4. Licorice tea. Drinking licorice tea may help spike up extremely low blood pressure levels. This is because licorice, or melethi, tea may reduce the effect of aldosterone, the hormone that helps regulate the impact of salt on the body, noted a study published in the British Medical Journal. 5. Tulsi leaves. Chewing 5 to 6 Tulsi leaves every morning may help reinstate normal blood pressure levels. Consultant nutritionist, Dr. Rupari says, Tulsi leaves have high levels of potassium, magnesium and vitamin C, which can help in regulating your blood pressure. It is also loaded with an antioxidant called eugenol, which keeps the blood pressure under control and lowers cholesterol levels. 6. Eat salty foods. Foods with high salt content can elevate your blood pressure. Good sources of salt include olives, cottage cheese, and canned soup or tuna. You can also add table salt or sea salt to your meals, depending on your preference. 7. Drink caffeine. Consuming a cup of tea or coffee in low blood pressure could help. Although the exact study of how caffeine helps in blood pressure is not known, but it is observed that it raises blood pressure temporarily. If you suffer from regular fluctuations in blood pressure, You could also choose to have a cup of green tea daily, which is equally beneficial for being rich in antioxidants and caffeine. 8. Fill up on folate. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is another essential vitamin found in foods such as asparagus, broccoli, liver, and legumes such as lentils and chickpeas. A folate deficiency can have many of the same symptoms as a vitamin B12 deficiency, causing anemia which leads to lowered blood pressure. 9. Red meat. Red meat is one of the most widely available sources of iron, which is needed for raising blood pressure levels. Beef has one of the highest iron contents that you will find in food. Although some doctors recommend avoiding red meat, someone with low blood pressure may actually benefit from adding more of it to their diet. 10. Cut back on carbs. Foods that are high in carbohydrates, particularly processed carbs, tend to digest very quickly relative to other foods. This can lead to sudden drops in blood pressure. A low-carb diet has been shown in some studies to help with offsetting hypotension, especially in older adults.
If you have any query, please comment in the comment box, and if you enjoy watching our videos, please subscribe our channel to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. Hit the bell icon twice. Thanks for watching.